Hey everybody, Patrick Loader with MarineMax in Summers Point, New Jersey. Check out this 2025 Sailfish 316 dual console. This thing is a beast. This is powered with the twin 400 Verados upgraded with the white engines. Lots of power. This is great for an all-around model boat for fishing, cruise, and dock and dine, water activities, you name it, this can do it. This has also a telescopic ski pylon, part of your entertainment package. Floats around out of the way. You have 6 rod holders across the back, saltwater wash down, live well in the corner. Very, very well thought out. Walk through the boat here, which is nice too. Battery switches right here. First and last thing you do when you're getting on and off of the boat. Look at all this cockpit space, which is nice too. You have fold out seating here on the sides. Get that out of the way. Also two very deep hull. Same thing here on the back. Fold up out of the way. Very nice to go. Look at this dive door. Now, for you sandbar folks, put the mat out there, have your kids go running in and out of here, having a good time. If you're going to somewhere up here on the East Coast, go up to like Atlantic City and get on and off of the floating dock. It makes it very simple, easy, and smooth. All right. Kind of a trolling seat here. Fish boxes in the floor, and then look at all this room. You have a ton of space on this boat. Nice wet bar area here, prep station. Got a small sink here, cutting board on the back side. Same thing too, a couple wine holders you can put in there. Again, nice work area. But tons of storage. More cup holders, rod holders. All powder coated, this thing is rock solid. This is an iced slate gray hull, so this is color matched under the hardtop. Again, more seating. Flip up fiberglass seating. You also have blue LED lighting package all around the boat. You have additional seating and storage back here. That's actually the ladder for the dive door. Moving forward here to the helm. Yeah, this actually has the cover in here at the moment, but that's also for a lot of storage in there for putting in your scrub brushes, boat hook, fishing poles, anything like that. Again, there's never enough storage on the boat. Up top here, PFD storage. This also has vents up here. You can open that up, get extra fresh air. This is powered with the twin Simrads that work well with the Mercs. Joystick for making that docking and ease. Also have the Skyhook application there. Digital throttle and shift. Has a through-hull windlass, VHF radio. This boat's loaded. So just again, this was a great model once they redesigned it. High windshield, so this way when you're coming out there, you're coming in, back into the inlet, getting some spray, really keeps it down. Nice door here, and then the door, this will close up. Additional storage down inside. Close this will block everything coming through. The same thing too, look how deep this is. I'm pretty tall. All right. A lot of room up here in the front, and then you also have this storage compartment here. This is to get into the other side. This is where the bow table is, and another cushion. Tons of room up here. Through-hull windlass, everything. Radar, spotlight, everything. So if you want to see this boat or anything else, give us a call at 609-926-0600. This thing is, you have to see it in person. See you on the water.